It's Casey Brown TV show. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's another beautiful day. That's why we're here again. So if it's your first time here, please try to subscribe and leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates so that anytime I drop video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So here we talk about migrant and document issue. You want to know information about your documents, you want to know how to prepare yourself for commission appeal, you can hit me on my WhatsApp number. I'm going to be responding to you. Today we're going to be talking about the Italians are still thinking and are still looking on how to regularize, thousands of migrants because there is shortage in agricultural system. There is shortage. The agricultural organization are calling on the government to legalize some irregular migrants because they need workers now. Understand? So let me read from the newspaper. Let me read from the updates I just came in. Italy to legalize thousands of migrants to tackle the labor shortage in agricultural sector. So, Italy to legalize thousands of migrants to tackle the labor shortage of agricultural sector. You see? Okay. Faced with the shortage of manpower as a result of the closure of its borders, Italy is looking to legalize the status of 200,000 migrants who live in the country illegally. The agricultural sector is particularly badly affected by the shortage of labor after 300,000 seasonal workers were stranded outside the country. The majority were due to arrive from Eastern Europe. The organization that represents the sector has already called on the government to legalize the position of migrants who already work in the field illegally. You see, they are begging the government to legalize thousands of migrants to work, in the shortage of laborers. There are shortage of laborers this year because of the lockdown. Many foreigners, they used to come from outside Europe they come to Italy, to work as a farmer. It's the seasonal workers. They will seek for visas, so they will come because they have documents. But now because of the shortage, they have some irregular migrants who are ready to work, who are willing to work, who have been working before. So if they drop this some material so that they can give them contracts, so they can go and legalize themselves. So that's why they are begging the parliament to pass the law, because now the government said they don't want any irregular migrants to work without contract, if you don't have documents. Understand? Because if they catch the person, they can fund the person, and they will fund you with a big ticket of money to pay. So they are funding a lot of farmers like that because you're working with irregular migrants, because you're not paying the taxes, you're not paying the contribution. The person don't have contracts, you are not contributing in the economic. So if they catch the person, that's the big problem. So that's why the farmers organization are begging the government to pass the law so that they can carry some irregular migrants to the field, give it a contract so they can go access these documents, this material. So this proposal, supported by the ministers of Interior, Labor and Agriculture, will soon be adopted in order to allow illegal migrants to obtain labor contracts in the agricultural sector. Italy is the second largest producer of fruit and vegetables in Europe, with sales of over 13 billion euro. That means $14.1 billion. You see? But now that's why they're begging. Officials had warned that 40% of the production would not be harvested this year, calling for seasonal workers to be brought into help. They call in. The officials are calling the government, the parliament, to put on this law so that they can use these irregular migrants to work, to harvest. If not be so, they will be collapsed. The agricultural sector this year will be collapsed because they want them to. That's why the Minister of Agriculture said she wants them to put the law so that the agricultural sector can give them contracts, so they can obtain documents, so they can go for health care, so they can access for doctors, so they can control themselves if they fall sick, if they have any virus. So, and this one is a risk also in the health system. So if these people are irregular, they cannot access to any doctor, to any care, to any for checkup. they can still spread this virus. So because they're irregular, without documents, you cannot access to any doctor or hospital things. So that's why they are begging them to pass the law so that they can. Many of them are willing to work. Many of them, and even the domestic workers. The Minister of Domestic Workers, that is Giuseppe, he is still talking about that they have a lot of irregular migrants working in the domestic sector, and they are irregular. And those people are taking care of the old people, the citizen old people, the children, like babysitter. So they should regularize them so that when they are infected with anything, they can go for checkup. They can access to doctors. So that is it. So they can still contribute to the economic by paying taxes and paying contribution because they have contracts. Understand? These seasonal workers, they are willing to give the contracts so they can access for documents. So if any of them have any sickness, they can access for medication. So that's why they are telling the government to pass the law so that they can benefit from inside, because when they regularize them, they will give them contracts. If it's 6 months, 1 year, any month, but they are paying contribution, paying taxes, that will still contribute to the economic. So giving their contracts, if any of them fall sick or have this virus, they can still access for medication or even checkup, to access for doctors, all those things. So that's what they're talking about it. That is their ideas. So the Organization of Agriculture are still crying that if not so, the agricultural sector will be collapsed this year, because this is harvesting period. They are begging that they should pass on the law so that they can use the irregular migrants to work for now, because they need workers. 300,000 workers. They need workers. And many of those people are irregular. So that's what they say. If they put the law, they can regularize them and give them the contracts so they can access for documents, so they can, work with them. So that is the idea. So let's be prayerful so that they can pass the law of, many of our sisters, our brothers who work as the seasonal workers, as the farmers, who work as the domestic, our ladies who work as the domestic workers, so they can pass the law so they can obtain documents, so that people can, contribute to the economic. People can access for documents. They can go for checkup. Who have never traveled to the countryside, so can go to the countryside for visits, all the stuff. So that is the idea. So my brother, my sisters, what you need to do for us as we that are bringing up the updates and the information, you need to like the video, give us courage, share the video, and if you're the first time, please try to subscribe, because more updates are going to be coming in. Because if you don't subscribe, when I'm going to be dropping, when they have signed or they have passed on the law, you will know. But I know you can see it in other people platform, but it's good to have subscribe to many platforms so that you can get more information. So that is what I used to do. Anything that contributes good to my life, I subscribe to them. I follow them to know what is my interest. Understand? Maybe one day they can drop what you're looking for, your interest, what you're searching for. They can help you for that. So more information going to come in. We're going to be talking about documents, what you need to do, and what you need to know about the document you're holding, because many people are still making mistake of these documents. Understand? So that's why many people lose their documents. They won't give them back because they don't know the rules of the regulation of the documents they're holding. So we're going to be talking a lot about documents, and let's pray that they pass this law. So we're going to be bombing out any updates they drop for this senatorial to behold. I'm going to be dropping it more and more so that they will know that we're still backing them. People are fighting for us, a lot of fighting for us. So let us back in them by showing our own views to them, showing our own ideas to the to people, so many of them understand what we're saying, so they can know that we're saying what we feel and what we feel inside, and that is real. Because when they have documents, they can access for medication. When they have documents, they can give their contracts, they can pay contribution, they can pay taxes, things. The economy can be growing again. So that is it. So my brother stars, you guys should stay safe and wash your hands regularly. Wear your mask when going outside, but when necessary, please stay indoor. It's very important. So guys, I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video. So maybe on next month, 4th of next month, some shop rights will be, maybe they will start working, but the school, they don't know if they're going to reopen the school because of the children. Maybe they will open some sectors like the the one that is the adult ones, the secondary, and from primary 3 to secondary school, so the stuff. So maybe the nursery, those children, they are delicate, and how they play, touching themselves, play on the floor, touching their hand on the mat, coughing, sneezing on each other's face. So it's not it's not guaranteed for them to leave. So let's pray that everything goes well. So guys, stay connected to this channel. See you in my next video, and bye for now. Love you guys.